Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. You are here for my spring summer mini collection, which is called Cool Summer Vibe. It consists of 5 pattern pieces. I have a jean skirt with a twist. I have a cardigan dress, a sleeveless bodysuit, a sleeveless top, and a blazer. 4 of the 5 pieces, the fabric that I'm going to use for them are from my stash, and then there's only one of them, which is the jean skirt that I purchased some fabric. And 3 of those patterns I did source from Unfettered Patterns. It is a free resource. I'll put the patterns and the website in the description box, as well as where I purchase all my fabrics and what type of fabrics they are. And I'm also going to put the year that I purchased the fabric in the description, in the screen, so you guys can see. I am really trying to get it together. Let's start with what I purchased. So for the skirt, the jean skirt, which is going to be a ombre jeans, I purchased these 3 shades of blue jeans, and I purchased them a few weeks ago at Textile Studs. I purchased a minimum amount for each of them, and these are going to be used. One thing to note is that these mood boards mini collections are based on the Dign Your Wardrobe course that comes by twice a year, and it is from Seamwork. I am a Seamwork ambassador. I did get a renewal for this year of my ambassadorship. So that means that I get one of the perks is unlimited access to all of the patterns and so much more other things, so you know, take notes. And then so like I said, 3 of the patterns are from Unfettered, 1 is from Seamwork, and 1 is by Burda. Burda and we tussle. But they have really beautiful blazer patterns. I'm a fan, and so I wanted to try it again. If you remember last year, I did use one of Burda's blazer patterns for this blazer that I enjoy wearing every time there's something special. And I do have a lot of Burda magazines. I have Burda magazines dating back to 2008 up to 2022 maybe. So I have quite a lot to look through and choose patterns. For my top and my bodysuit, I'm going to use this jersey knit, and you see what's going on. There's a theme. It has feathers. From my stash, I sourced it, or I remember that this was one that my friend was getting rid of, and so I took a bunch of fabrics off her hand. Then we have this one. This is the color that you might see all around. This is a lilac or lavender color, but this is going to be my cardigan dress. The cardigan dress is going to be a hack of a cardigan that is on the website. So I'm just going to lengthen the cardigan to make it into a dress, add extra buttons and everything, so hopefully it will work out. And then this lime green one is a cotton fabric. This is going to be the blazer, and I have some buttons that I got gifted, and I was thinking gold buttons. So I have this one, I have this one, I have this one. So I have enough to choose from, and I'm going to be busy. So I wanted to finish my collection by the end of July, because I really want to wear my pieces during the season. However, life is always happening, so we'll see. But I hope you enjoy me on this journey. I'll be sharing the pieces. I know that last year I presented my collection. However, I didn't create a video for each piece. So within the time that I'm working on these, I'll be putting out some of those videos as well, because you know, that you can see what the end result is. If you are curious though, I do have, I believe, a short on this. I do have a few shorts, and otherwise you can check it on Instagram. I do have pictures of all of the pieces, including reels and everything surrounding it. So as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Quick note, if you want to see the mood board in a little more in depth and zoom in and everything, I do have it on my community tab, so you can go there and you can check it out. And you have a great day. Bye.